Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here with another fun job for you guys here. What we have here is a Dodge Journey, passenger side, no heat. Common issues on these are the temperature blend door actuators and that. Sometimes the door flaps themselves. In this case, everything's moving as it should. So we suspect a partially plugged heater core. Now I'll show you on this thing here. As the coolant runs through the heater core, where it starts getting towards the end, you can see the sludge build up at the end. And I imagine that's plugged down into the core tubes themselves. They're not really opened up or have a lot of flow or access to them. You see it's clean on this side here, but as you see, all the sludge and all that is accumulated more on the far end, which is the passenger side. Now this one here has been previously replaced, and as you can see, they basically cut and put hoses on instead of, well, you can do it this way. It all depends how you feel like doing it. We prefer not cutting the corners and replacing it fully. So we've got this one here already installed and ready to go. And we're going to thoroughly flush the cooling system so we don't get any more sludge and that build up in the back end of the heater core and bleed the system and get this customer on their way with heat on both sides of the car. Any Dodge Journeys or Dodge products with these kind of issues, feel free to give us a call. Urban Automotive, safety first.